Hey folks, a few days ago, I installed a router on an old computer with Windows XP and a Dell laptop with Windows 10. I defined an IP for them and there was a problem that the Windows firewall did not allow ping. I mean, they could have pinged the router or Google and the result was correct and it gave the time. But two computers could not ping each other and timed out. I used the Netsch firewall setting 8 enable command and enabled ping and enabled remote desktop permission. After that, from the Windows 10 laptop, I remote to Windows XP. As you know, in this section, I should have entered the username and password of Windows XP. If you liked this video, please like it and tell me in the comments what you would like to do with this old computer.